Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to set up and install Phantom Wallet on your mobile device. This is going to be on Android, but it's the same on iPhone as well. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to go to our Play Store. Make sure that you have Phantom Wallet installed right here. It's called Phantom. And then you can just go click open here. And then obviously once the wallet is open right here, we can go here and create a new wallet. So obviously if you go back here, you can see you can already, import your already, if you already have a wallet, you can import it here, right? Or we can just go create new wallet. So we will create new wallet. We'll protect this wallet, so we will use device authentication here. So once we have the PIN done, we can go click next. And here we will have secret recovery phrase. Now, for those of you who don't know, never share this with anyone. I'm sharing this with you just because this is a tutorial. So we're going to copy this to clipboard. We can click OK, I saved it somewhere. And then, as you can see, written the secret recovery phrase down. Without the secret recovery phrase, you will not be able to access your key or any assets associated with it. So you can click yes. And then what we'll have to do is we'll have to obviously go through another process, which is going to be, as you can see, you can now fully enjoy your wallet. So you can click I agree here, get started. And here, as you can see, you have your wallet, right? This is your wallet. As you can see, we can go here to the left side and we can here also put notifications. We can, change anything that we want, obviously. And here we have our wallet. Here is our wallet. We can deposit something, Solana or Everyone coin, right? We can copy it here, as you can see, and that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much how to set up Phantom Wallet, on your Android device or any other device on your mobile. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.